to open Novo bank account online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open Novo bank account online. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Novo's official website, and after that on the home screen you will be able to see the option called login and get started. So if you already have a bank account in Novo, you can simply go ahead and click on login and log in with your credentials. But since you want to create a brand new account with Novo, just simply click on get started from the top right corner or from the middle of the screen as per your choice. And after that you will be able to see the application form right in front of you. So you have to enter your basic information over there. So you first need to enter your business email address, then you have to create a password, and your password must include a letter and include a number or a special character, and it must be between 8 to 30 character. And you can also enter the referral code if you have one. And after that just simply click on get started, and then now you have to enter the confirmation code that the Novo would have sent you on your email address. So I'm going to open my email address and just enter the code over there. So as you can see that I have received this particular email address. Just open it, and here is the code. So just simply double click on it and copy this particular code and come back to the Novo's official website and paste it right here and click on next. As you can see that the verification has been successful, and on the next page you have to fill in your personal information. And on the next page you have to fill in your personal information, like you have to mention your business type, and then you have to also fill in the business things over here. So whether you are a sole proprietor, single member, LCC, or a general partner, so you can select accordingly. And after that just simply click on next, and then just enter your legal name over here, your last name, and also enter your citizenship and click on next. And then you can enter your phone number over here to verify your phone number. And on the next page you have to enter your business details, and then you have to submit few documentation in order to Novo for you to verify your account properly. And then just simply review your overall application that you have just filled, and then you have to wait for the account approval until Novo will approve your account details with the information that you have filled. And once your account is ready, you will be able to receive your debit card and your account details in your email address, and then you are good to go. So this is basically how you will be able to create your business account with Novo. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.